Welcome to my channel, Online Center Tilakpur. Please, don't skip. Watch my full video. Let's go and enjoy the video. Hey, friends. How are you? Welcome to my new video. Today my video is how to hide your folder file.
First way, go to your folder and open Properties options. Go to General Settings. Now, you can see Hide option marks on the box.
Now it hide. Second way, how to hide your folder and any documents.
Go to Start menu and open your control panel. Now you can see Folder options. Open your folder options and go to View menu and follow the marks options.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel for more video.